I can't believe...
Tonight, we celebrate...
The structural design allows for this height while minimizing wind resistance.
But how scalable is the triple spiral design for the upper sections?
The vertical city model confirms our dominance.
Adjusting the zoning here maximizes the view corridors.
John, as you can see, the integration with the new transit hub is seamless.
And the projected foot traffic for the retail spaces?
Significantly increased.
The design handles the wind load efficiently, but the core shear wall at this height is the issue.
Yeah. If we taper the wings,
This is the buttressed core, a Y-shaped plan that provides the structural stability required for the immense height of the Burj Khalifa.
If we extend the spire slightly, it should disrupt the wind load. See the change?
Yes, that shifts the resonant frequency. The stress is normalizing.
The stabilization matrix is holding steady at 98%. Good.
Initiate phase 2 sequencing and monitor the energy output.
The shear strength here is significantly lower than projected.
yes, especially at this depth, we need to adjust the foundation model.
The pressure is holding steady at 40,000.
Settlement is minimal. We can increase the load by 5%.
Advanced turbine. The stress on core columns 40 through 42 looks high here.
We reran the simulation. The load distribution.
Advanced turbine. The stress on core columns 40 through 42 looks high here.
We reran the simulation. The load distribution.
the structural integrity is guaranteed, sir.
Excellent. Proceed as planned. This will be the new icon of Dubai.
The Burj Khalifa utilizes a massive piled raft foundation system. Over.
Keep the flow steady. Watch the level on the far side. Okay, signaling the next pump now. The reading on sector 4 is spiking. We need to increase the flow.
All right, opening the valve now. Keep an eye on the sensors.
Bring the pump to sector 4. We need more flow over here.
The custom high-strength concrete formula includes Portland cement clinker at 60 to 70%.
The readings on the scanner look good overall, except for this specific section here.
All right, I've logged the data. The impact test confirms the strength requirements.
We need to secure this section before the next pour.
Yeah, I'm on it.
Watch the level. Okay, slow it down now. All right, pull up. We are done with this section.
Rising over 800 meters, the tower's flawless vertical alignment is a marvel of precision engineering.
keep that port consistent. We're almost at the marker. Keep it steady. Watch the alignment on section 3. Okay, bring it down slowly. We're ready for the pour. All right, it's seated. Put the pins in. Pins are secure. Thumbs up to the crane.
All systems are green, well within optimal parameters.
Confirmed. Ensure the data logs are updated immediately.
Copy that.
Easy now, bring it left.
Confirmed. Lowering slowly. Down slowly, watch the alignment. Easy, easy. Confirmed, steady as she goes. Keep it coming down.
We're clear on this side.
All right, lock it now.
Status update on Sector Gamma.
All systems nominal. Chief, override confirmed.
The Burj Khalifa's unsung hero floors. Mechanical floors are located every 30 stories.
Wind shear detected at level 120. Adjusting climate flow regulators.
Acknowledged. Drones 7 and 8 are deployed for facade inspection.
Check the alignment on panel 407.
Noted. The drone should get a closer look at that seam.
The world is watching Dubai today as the Burj Khalifa celebrates another milestone, drawing massive attention across all media platforms.
I can't believe we are finally here. It is taller than Taipei 101. Look at the very top. It disappears into the sky.
Tonight, we celebrate a monumental achievement. The Burj Khalifa has officially set a new world.